Say what you guys are gonna say before you guys do it.
See?
Mo got caught up in it.
On purpose.
Oh, now you don't gotta go if you don't want to.
That's weak, bro.
Go, Mo, go. Just go. Just jump. Just jump. Just jump. Just go. Mo, stop being a... go. Go. Go.
You going in too? Yeah, let's go. They got fishing rods over here.
Go, Mo.
There's
Stop
a lake monster
making
here.
excuses. Go. If you're gonna do it, go at the top.
He's just gonna leave Jose by himself. You better jump in there.
Black guy in the water.
I took a little run, just pissed in there. Now your turn. This car is fucking that motherfucker, dog. Don't forget to jump that way.
Mo,
Jump that way. This
come
is
here.
Too scary. Go that
come
way.
here.